Okay, and here are my adults. And look, I have another egg. They love this stuff. There you go. They're about like the babies. Take a little piece and take off running. It's so cool. That's 2 eggs today. Not the big brown one, but 2 eggs. And here's all my babies over here. I got 6 over here. And one of these girls gave me an egg today. I'm so happy. And I think I have somebody trying to escape. There's Mama. Probably need to ask my husband to move this today or tonight. I was so excited. Let's see, are there any more eggs in here? It was right here. I had an egg. Look at that. These guys are too funny. Well, there's your other adult flick for the day.